Mayor. Maraming salamat. So pasalamatan ko ulit po ang mga participating team. Aro Pangasinan, Utol Hong Kong, HK, 50. Binulgar ninyong 50 tayo. Banding Group Hong Kong, Elfoday, Noity Thunders, Ilonggo, FBA Bros, FBL Knights, at ang nagpipilit na lumaban, Konsulado Hong Kong. Dahan-dahanin nyo lang po ang pagbalya sa kanila para makapagtrabaho pa.
1, 2, 3, hey! Yes!
Hello everyone, today is the opening of the Congens Cup. This is a tournament, basketball tournament for 50 and above for our Filipino workers here in Hong Kong. We hope to establish more friendship and a stronger bond between our players, and we hope the best team wins. This is a project of the consulate. The Congens Cup is a project that hopes to bind all Filipinos here in Hong Kong. So I really have high hopes to our players, and may the best team win. Thank you.
One way of reaching out to the Filipino communities dito sa Hong Kong. Pero lahat tayo sabik ng maglaro, kaya hindi ko na po tatagalin. Ito na po, umpisa na natin ang laro. First game, ready ang first game.